Everyone says AI is replacing designers. So today I am putting that to the test. I will ask AI to design a complete barber booking app from the scratch, and we will see it's actually good enough to compete with a real Figma designer. So without any delay, let's get started. So before we move forward, if you have an amazing app idea but you don't have a time or skills to develop an app, don't worry, my team will develop the app for you. So you can search for my startup name, which is an app crafting. At app crafting, we transform ideas into powerful, beautiful mobile experience. Whether you are a startup or a business ready to scale, we design, build, and launch your app fast, professional, and ready for the world. You can just fill out the contact form and get a quote. Just fill out your name, your last name, and your email and your requirements as well. And after submitting this form, my team will reach you out to develop your app for both Play Store and App Store. So on this video, I'm going to test that if a cursor AI or an AI can develop a better app design rather than a Figma designer. So we are going to use a cursor AI. So we are going to just move to the cursor AI dashboard. So this is how the cursor AI look like. You can simply download this from a cursor official website, and once you download this, you need to open a respective folder where you want to add the UI design or in code, right? So here I need to just pass a prompt, and in the prompt I'm going to first tell the cursor to create some onboarding pages for our barber app. Then we'll move to the sign up page, the home page, and other bookings page, right? So first page that we need over here is the onboarding page. So I'm going to just pass a prompt, and as I've told you that prompt plays a big role when you need to get a result from an AI. Okay, so if you want to get a perfect result or exact result that you have in your mind, you need to tell that in the prompt to get that, right? So I'm going to just use a mic and will just tell a cursor that I need to create a barber app, and I need first to design the onboarding screen. Okay, so just design the onboarding screen and give me the screen that should look really great. Okay, so this is the prompt that I'm going to just send to the cursor. Okay, so now he's just going to create the onboarding screen for us, or a welcome screen, right? So we're trying to design that. Okay, so we just need to wait. So here you can see that this is how the AI have just created the complete onboarding screen. They have designed basically a 3 onboarding page. They have, and it is like swipeable onboarding screen that has been written over here. The headline that they have added, like craft your perfect look, focus, find a great barbers. Okay, barber near you, location and reviews, book in seconds, easily scheduling. Okay, so this is the headline, the focus they try to add on the onboarding screen, and these are all the things they tried to tell that add a Flutter run to test the app. So we are going to just test the app. So I'm going to hot restart this app and let's see. So yeah, so this is what that we can see. Okay, wow, so that's look really great. As you can see, the design that has been added by a AI. This is the graphics that are actually, this is an animated graphic that you can see, right? I think so that none of the Figma designer can design the animated graphics that has been designed by cursor over here. Okay, so this is the first onboarding screen. This is the second one. Wow, that's also look really great. They try to use a black theme. If you want this on the light theme, you need to pass that on the prompt, and you will get the design according to the white theme, right? So they have passed like craft your perfect look, discover top rated barbers and stylists who bring your vision to life with precision and a care. Okay, now this is what that you can see has been designed by the cursor. I have just tell a prompt that you have seen, and I have done nothing from my side. Neither I have provided any image or anything. Okay, so this is the first one. This is the second onboarding screen. Barber near you, find the best shops in your neighborhood, read reviews, compare styles, and pick your favorite. Okay, now this is the third one, like book in seconds, skip the wait, pick a time, confirm your slot, and get reminders so you never miss an appointment. Okay, now here you can see that this is the continue button, and once we move to the last page of an onboarding screen, they have added a get started button. Okay, so the design looks really great. I never thought that they are going to use animated images over here, I thought that they are going to use the image, but that will be the static. So they have used the animated image that are totally +1 from my side. Okay. Now once we do this, now we are going to tell the cursor that design the sign up page. Okay. So onboarding page looks really great. Now just design the sign up page. Okay. So now we are going to tell the cursor to design the sign up page, and we need to just wait, and we are going to see the magic of an AI. Okay, so they have designed the complete sign up page. Okay, so now let's hot restart this and let's see the sign up page. Continue, click on get started. Okay, so this is the sign up page that they have added. Okay, so that I can see a create account page, join barber, book and book your next cut in minutes. They have tried to pass the app name as well, like this app name is like barber book. They have tried to use this icon that also totally match with the barber booking app. They have tried to use the email authentication, Google and Apple authentication. You can see that how beautifully they have added this implementation, and you can see once we click to any of the buttons, it shows that the button has been clicked. Okay, now this is the sign up page. Now I'm going to tell that to create a login page as well. Okay, I think so they haven't created a login page. Okay, so the sign up page is done. Now let's create the login page. So this is the prompt that I passed just to create the login page. Now one more thing I will tell you that if you are looking any app for your business or as a college project, or if you are looking for an AI chatbot or an AI agent for your business or anything, you can just visit a description box. You will find the link of an app crafting. You can just click to that link and can fill the description or app description or anything that you are looking for, so that my team can reach you and can help you to develop the app, right? So that's a thing that we can do from our side. So he tried to create a login page. We just need to wait. Okay, so they have created the login page as well. Now I'm going to hot restart this. Skip for now. Okay, let's move to the signing page. So this is the login page. Welcome back. Sign in to manage your bookings and discover great barbers. They have just passed email, password, remember me and the signing button. Okay, so all the things look really great. Now the main thing is that to design the home page. Okay, so I'll just tell that. Okay, so everything looks better right now. So I'm going to just tell that to create the home page for this barber app. Okay, so the page should look really great, and just implement that. Okay, so this is the prompt that I'm trying to pass. Okay, so the home page is also done. Let's hot restart the app. Click to this, skip for now, get started, create account. Okay, I think so we just need to directly call the home page. So let's move to the main.dart file. Can you do one thing, like I just want to launch the home page, so make sure that once I hot restart the app, I just move to the home page of the app. I've just passed some another prompt because I was thinking that whether we can just directly move to the home page of the app, or we can add some execution as well. Like once I click to this create account button, and if I tell the AI that I move to the home page, you can also do that, right? So I think so they have fixed that. Let's hot restart this again. Okay, so this is what that we can see in our home page. I think so the design look again really best. The good morning Alex, they have passed the address, notification, a profile icon, a search bar. Okay, they have also added a banner, and you can see that this is the image that they have added. Okay, the services like haircut, beard, fade, styling, kids cut, save. Okay, wow. And then they have also passed top barbers near you like Marcus, James Carter, blah blah blah. Yeah, so popular shops like Golden Comb, the Elite Cut Studio, a classic barber. They have also added the bottom navigation bar also. Okay, explore page is there, booking page is there, and the profile page. Okay, so this is what that they have created, and I think so this looks really great, and we can see all the services over here. Till now I'm totally impressed with the cursor AI, that what they have done, because like implementing this much design usually takes a lots of time, and like you need to find this images and all the icons, then to implement that. But by using this AI, you just need one thing, is that your voice, or you can just write a text, right? So if you can just need a prompt to create this app, nothing else, everything will be done by a cursor AI. So that's a great thing of an AI, right? Now I'm going to tell that just add all the pages design that has been left and give me the final product, okay, so that I can review the complete design and give my final verdict, like what design that the cursor have created till now. Okay, so I just need to pass a prompt. Okay, so design looks really great right now. I just want that the other pages that has been left, you design that page as well and give me the final product so that I can review. Okay, so that's a prompt that I passed. Okay, so the thing has been done. I think so they have just added all the 6 pages, all 6 text pass, not 6 pages. They have tried to add, like, use the bottom navigation bar to move through all the tabs, tap the barber to book, search and check the notification. Okay, so they have added a lot many pages that I can see. Now I'm going to hot restart the app and let's see the final product. Okay, so this is what that I can see. I'll move to the explore page, nearest top rated price, haircut, beard, fade, styling. Okay, so they have tried to pass the shops that has been near to me according to the category or the filter that I can choose. The booking page where I can see all the bookings like upcoming, past, and it also show me that I can reschedule, I can cancel, I can see the upcoming bookings, etc, etc, right? Now this is the profile page. Okay, in the profile page they have passed bookings, favorite, reviews, okay, notification, language, appearance, help and support, about, privacy policy. Okay, so this is the complete design that has been designed by the cursor, and I'm totally impressed with this, because if you hire some Figma designer and tell the designer to create this design, I don't think so Figma designer can also design the app in the best way as possible, like how the cursor has done in the 10 minutes. I think so it took only 10 minutes to design this complete barber booking app. Okay, now I told you that if you are looking for anything specific, you can just pass that in the prompt. Okay, now if you want to add the complete backend to this app, let me know in the comment box. If I'll get a comment in the comment box that add a complete backend to this app, I'm going to do that. Okay, also I've told you, if you are looking for an app for your business or anything, you can just click to that app crafting link and can fill your description like what app you are looking for. Hit that like and subscribe button and show your support. Until then, keep coding, keep having fun. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.